People in Kerr County are now petitioning for an early warning siren system to warn people about floods and other emergencies. But county records show such a system had already been discussed nearly 9 years ago. So what happened? KENS 5's Andrew Moore shows us what the county already knew and why the push for this system stalled. Andrew?
Yeah, all the way back in 2016, Kerr County officials knew about potential flooding risks near the Guadalupe River. A previous commissioner did try to get the ball rolling on an early flood warning system. Today, he helped explain what happened with that.
If you look at emergency situations in Kerr County, there are two primary ones that are high probability: fire and flood.
When Kerr County officials saw the flooding in nearby Wimberley in 2015, then Commissioner Tom Moser wanted to look at warning systems for their county.
What we could do better.
In 2016, Moser told other commissioners at the commissioner's court the system Kerr County had at the time was pretty antiquated and marginal at best. And he went on to say, we are probably the highest risk area in the state for flooding. Other officials also knew the risk, with the sheriff at the time saying people don't know what this river can do. A county engineer then put together a plan with river sensors and sirens. But that plan ran into two roadblocks.
There were people that objected to the concept of having sirens.
First, Moser says, not everyone in the community wanted sirens. Second, and more importantly, the plan would cost more than $1 million, and the county couldn't get any grants to help pay for it for years.
The county put in the budget for several years what it would take if we were to get that grant, the funds that we needed to complement, do our share of that.
But now, after the horrifying flooding on July 4th, the state may pay for a system in full. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick's office told us this will come up in the special session. The state will provide emergency warning sirens where needed. Governor Abbott brought it up to Lieutenant Governor Patrick yesterday morning. Lieutenant Governor Patrick is completely supportive and is confident there will be strong support in the legislature. Moser hopes the current county officials will be able to move quickly and use that support.
Let this be a catalyst, move forward on a comprehensive project.
And both the Texas governor and the Speaker of the House said today these issues will be addressed in the special session starting on July 21st. The full interview with former Commissioner Moser is streaming right now on KENS 5+.